Although I do not do such valiant deeds, I suit a lover, so they say, to do. Yet must I sing for love's own due, to whom I am obedient with my creeds. For well I know she has so much of power, that all she does, she makes desires flower. And swiftly she makes love, the low is the high, the rich too. Wherefore I thereof, like a true friend, you. With grace. Wherefore I never shall be slow to tell again her worth so great, of her who has of beauty the flower with state, and gentle ways that gentleness show. Nor can I for anything hold back from loving her, though I feel the lack. And she makes me sigh full sore, makes me seem old in face, for she will not grant the joy I implore. Wherefore the jealous beggars poor come into their fall from grace. She drew forth sweetly without smart my heart from out my heart, the day I saw her color first that May. And I wish her so well with all my heart, that I cannot have leisure to see enough of her noble form so free. So I shall die without delay, for true love does not let me turn to desire another in any way, if this still brings me harm and burn. For my heart through her feels grace. And I would be rich in joy indeed, if the fair, pleasing one whom I adore, through languishment and through sorrow sore, from slanderers with their evil redeem, would deign to keep me for her own, or at least make it seem and be shown. Then I'd not need to fear the preaching jealous race, for one makes me sing here, in whom true worth finds resting place. And valor its maintenance and grace. My Lord, Lord, barrel knows what's so high, that I have not the wit to try to praise his great deeds. Face so noble are they, and rich of price, that worth is fine and dear solace. And if I speak not true words wise, may I fail. Joy is in